What's going on, guys, and thanks for coming back for another video. Okay guys, so today I have another really quick video and I'm going to be discussing which grass is better between Tallfescue versus perennial ryegrass. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's talk about the first thing. If you were to come out here from far, they look kind of similar, especially the color. The color, they look very similar. This is the Tallfescue, over here is the ryegrass. I do think right now the ryegrass looks a little darker, but not that much. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you guys will know originally this whole backyard was ryegrass. But this side over here, on the left side, mainly where the sun's getting hit at right now, it would always die during the summer. So then one year I finally decided, let me plant Tallfescue, because they say Tallfescue is a little better, a little better during the drought tolerance, I guess you could say. And so far that seems to be very true, because right now it's about 4:30 and it's about 94, 95 degrees outside. And this whole week has actually been in upper 90s to low hundreds right now. So it's actually holding on pretty well. I mean, there's obviously some stuff that is a little struggling. It's not perfect, but it is struggling a little bit. Of course, I have some dog urine damage, as well as in the ryegrass area. You got little damages here and there. That's from the dog. But other than that, it's actually looking really well. It's holding on pretty well for this heat. And as you guys can see, that main reason it's even still looking pretty good is because right here, this whole area on the right side gets a good amount of shade, and that's probably the only reason this area is still alive. If not, this probably would have been dead by now, to be honest, because there's times where it gets about a week or 2 weeks straight over the hundreds, and for sure that thing would die. Another thing we can look at and get closer is the actual grass themselves, the blades, the grass blades. The ryegrass is a little thinner, a little bit more finer, and then the fescue is a little bit thicker. And another thing is the mowing height. So me personally, what I really like about the ryegrass is I can mow this pretty short. I mean, I only have a push mower, so the lowest I can mow myself is about 1.5 inches. But I have seen many people that have real mowers and they can take this down to about 1/4 inch. So that's what I really like about this, that it looks really well when you mow it nice and low. It looks super nice. It looks like a nice little golf course. The Tallfescue, I usually mow it about, in the fall time I do about 2.5. During the summer I do about 3 to 3.5 inches. So as you guys can see, it's a little bit, this looks more like the rough on the golf course. This is more like the fairway, I guess you're gonna say. Or some people even make it to a little putting green. Now, when it comes to planting and germination, my favorite would be the ryegrass. I'm not even kidding you, if you got a good 2 weeks where that good temperature and weather, you can have grass grown here and mowing in 2 weeks. While your Tallfescue, it takes about 2 weeks to start germination. So this one takes about 2 weeks to germinate, and this one, on a good 2 weeks, you could be mowing already in 2 weeks. So this is why I really like this one. It's really fast germination, but I would say it doesn't handle, I mean, both grasses don't handle dog urine very well, but I would say this one handles it just a little more. Not great, but it just handles it better a little more. And also, guys, I have a really large dog. She's a Cane Corso and a Great Dane mix. So she's a really big dog. I'm for sure she's over 100 pounds. So this is why I have all these little damage areas. But yeah, guys, I mean, if I could, I would keep it all ryegrass. just because I really love the way it looks when it's mowed nice and short. And the color is really good, really dark green, and it germinates really fast. So especially during the fall, you do some overseeding, yeah, another week, you'll see it fill in really nice. But the fescue, the tall fescue, really comes in handy if you have more of that sunny area like this, like I do. It comes in handy. It still looks really good, guys. And from far, you can't really tell, but you can at the same time. So you can definitely see from here to the left, tall fescue. From here to the right, you got that ryegrass. I mean, honestly, to me, they both look really similar in colors. We could always feed it more, get them both even darker green. But other than that, guys, I mean, those are the differences I would say between these two. But let me know in the comments what grass type would you choose to plant? Your tall fescue or your ryegrass? Or maybe you don't like neither. Maybe you like Kentucky bluegrass. Maybe you prefer Bermuda or St. Augustine. But that's about it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Which grass would you prefer, or what grass type do you have in your lawns? But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.